Hi, good afternoon. James Braithwaite here, and I am, amongst other things, preparing Christmas dinner accoutrements. And right now, I am doing Yorkshire pudding mix. I've already done the flour and eggs. You have to really whisk it to make it nice and light, and as you can see, add the milk gradually. Really get your wrist going so you can get it all whipped up nice and light and lovely. So it looks a bit like the top of a latte, to be honest. That will do for the lot. Okay. I've made loads and loads of these before, so I'm quite well practiced at it. Although, truth be told, this is the first time I've done this for a bit. Yeah, I mean, given I live on my own, I don't really have call to make stuff like this just for myself. But anyway, that's what the Yorkshire pudding batter mix now looks like. As you can see, it should look like the top of a cappuccino or a latte. You know, that shows it's nice and light and airy, and it means the Yorkshire puddings in the oven, when they're in the oven, should rise up nice and well, erupt really. Lovely stuff. Anyway, another how-to from James Braithwaite. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.